What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Check out what we're doing today. We're messing with the 24x12 American Forces. These things are massive, but they are not as heavy as my last wheels. Those were 22x14 Alcoa Super Singles. So what I want to do today, I actually had a suggestion from a guy that comments on my YouTube videos, and he wanted to know what these weigh, because I made a video of how much the Alcoa Super Singles weigh, which I'll throw in this video, but I do want to figure this out, and I thought, why not make a video of that too, because it's kind of interesting to me when someone buys a set of these wheels and just throws them on a completely stock truck. These are definitely going to be heavier, and since they are wider, it's going to throw off how your suspension works, and it's really not that bad for it. But if you drive for a very long time or drive with a lot of miles and whatever, it is going to start to wear down your suspension parts faster than the stock wheels. So we want to throw these on a scale right now and figure out how much these weigh. The reason I have these off my truck is because my truck is getting aligned right now, because I just did a full front end rebuild on my truck. Control arms, steering, all that good stuff. So if you want to check out those videos, make sure you stay tuned, because I have some good how-to videos on that stuff. But these are just sitting, waiting for my truck to get back from the alignment shop, and thought this would be a good video. I swear it never stops raining here in Ohio. We've had like 2 or 3 days in a row where no rain is in the forecast, but it rains like half the day. So man, these wheels still look good though. All right, let me get them over to the scale and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, before we put this on the scale, I'm gonna throw in a couple clips from my last video to show how much the Super Singles weighed. These things literally weigh 140 pounds. 140 pounds a piece. That is just, dude, that is absurd. 140 pounds a piece. The Super Singles weighed almost 150 pounds. The stock ones weighed about 60 pounds. So this is going to be somewhere in between. I'm not really sure what yet, but let's find out. All right, guys, throw your guesses in the comments. Here it comes, though. Sitting right at 110 pounds. Honestly, that sounds pretty crazy. 110 pounds, I mean, that's not that much lighter than the Alcoas. These things do ride a lot better though. Wow, 110 pounds, that's surprising. Because these are a lot easier to pick up. Maybe it's just because of the shape of them, but that's crazy. 110 pounds, that's really surprising to me. I can't believe that. So this is almost double the stock wheel and tire setup. Man, that's actually crazy. I did not think those were gonna weigh that much. Throw down in the comments if you guys guessed correctly. That's crazy. And if you guys can prove that you have a heavier wheel and tire setup than my Alcoa Super Singles, send me a message on Instagram or something with pictures of it. I'll send you guys some t-shirts or something. Man, that's cool. All right. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to Nasty Nate down below. Make sure to check out the other videos I have, and we'll catch you in the next one.
I've been around the block a couple times.